Welcome to my channel by name Narendra Matta. Here we are on the series of one day, one chapter, one question series. Today we will discuss geometry, one question, in which there is a concept of uses, similarity of triangle, and also angular bisector. So let's straightway go to the question and is here. So look at the question. A triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree, that means right angle triangle, this one, and the AD is bisector of so on and so forth. So let's straightway go for a triangle and let's write down that A is 90 degree, it is said. Okay, now A, B and C. Here it says that's AD is bisector of angle A meeting at BC at D. So this is the angle A bisected, and it is meeting at BC at point D. Next, DE is perpendicular to AC. This is what AC is. So DE is perpendicular to AC at E. So we will draw a perpendicular line over here. This one. So these two will be parallel. I am understanding that, and this is point E. Next, AB is equal to 10. So we have given here 10 centimeter, and AC is 15. So this part, which is 15. Okay. Now what's the question? The question is then the length of DE is what centimeter? So length of DE, they are talking about this part, this one, DE. Now, one thing I understand that when this is 40 degree, here it is 90 degree because it is a perpendicular, it is 90 degree. And here the angle A is also 90 degree. So, did you visualize that we are getting the two triangles here? The bigger triangle is that ABC triangle, ABC, and the smaller triangle is EDC. EDC. Yeah, that's right. So that is triangle E, D and C. Now, is it similar? So if all the three angles are equal, then the triangle will be similar. So I notice that here the C is common here. The angle C and the angle C is common over here. What else? So that is both are equal. The angle E and angle A both are 90. So they are equal. The angle E is equal to angle A. No, here it is angle A. The angle A is equal to angle E. If two angles of a triangle are equal, then obviously third side will be equal. So that is the angle B will be equal to angle D. So what I conclude that these two triangles are similar. And we know one property of the similarity. If these two triangles are similar, then we can say that CE by CA. Okay, write down this. CE by CA will be equal to this ED by AB. Write down that. ED by, this is D, by AB. Now, how much is CE? I don't know. But what I know is from A to C, it is 15. So if I consider that this is X, then one point I request you to notice over here, then this is what we have, this part is 45 degree, and we have this one is 90 degree. Then what will be this angle? This angle is 45. because the total of total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So can I say by this that whatever this E and A will be equal to E and D, because if the angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. So therefore, if EA is x, then ED will also be x, which I need to work out. Let's move forward now. So here what I do is CE total is 15, out of which AE is x. Then I will take the CE as 15 minus x. So that is 15 minus x by 15 AC, which is equal to ED. The ED I consider that as x, so x by 10 AB. When you solve this, look at this one, this gets cancelled here. That's 2 times, 3 times, 2 into 15, that is 30 minus 2x, which is equal to 3x. When 2x comes over here, it's become 5x, and 5x is equal to 30, then x is equal to 6. And I need the ED, which is x, and the x is equal to 6. Do we have any option? Option choice 2. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and bell the press icon. So whenever I post my video, you are able to watch it. Thank you very much.